Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha Videos. This video is for class 8, chapter 1, rational numbers. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 1, problems from 6 to 13th questions. Okay, so from 1 to 5 questions I gave in one more video. Please follow the link given in the description for 1 to 5 questions. So here is your sixth question. Verify the following. Okay, he gave equal to here in equal to here one thing and here the separate thing. Okay, so he asked whether both the answers on LHS and RHS are equal or not. Okay, verify here, the meaning of verification means we should check whether left side answer and right side answers are same. Okay, you can solve this in two methods. Parallelly you can solve left side and right side. Okay, or else you can take left side and you can solve it, then you can take right side and you can solve it. At last you can check both the answers. If they are equal you can put equal to sign, if they are not equal you can put not equal to sign, or else solve like this parallelly. If both are not equal you can directly put not equal to sign at the last. Okay, so let me start with the question. I'll take this question as it is for simplification. So I am taking LHS, RHS separately. So I took LHS here. So here, if you see properly, here plus and minus symbol are there. Okay. So first you should simplify the bracket things. Okay. One by simplification means each and every step should be simplified. Okay. So first I'll simplify my bracket things. First you go with the bracket thing, simplify it, and whatever answer you got, add to the outside one. Okay, so here plus into minus is minus, so I'll get the step as 5 by 4 as it is, plus into minus is minus 1 by 2, and here also plus into minus is minus. First I solved with my symbols. I finished with the symbols. Now here in between two rational numbers, these two are rational numbers, right? In between these two rational numbers you have in minus symbol. Whenever plus or minus symbol are there in between two rational numbers, you should take LCM. Okay, so LCM of 4 and 2 is 4, right? So let me take the LCM 4. Okay, so 4, listen carefully those who don't know how to do LCM. 4 and 2 LCM, if you do it 4 like this, 4 2, so 2 2's 4, 2 1's 2, so 2 1's 2. Okay, so 2 2's 4, 4 is your LCM. Okay, now see the denominator, take the denominator and divide with the LCM. Okay, just remember like this, divide denominator. First you should divide the denominator. Okay, with LCM. With LCM only we should do, no, here. So divide the denominator with LCM. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, so whatever quotient you got here, that one should be multiplied with the numerator. Okay, first you should divide the denominator. D means divide. Divide the denominator, multiply the numerator. First divide denominator with LCM. Whatever answer you got, that one you should multiply with the numerator. Your numerator is 5. Simple, right? Divide denominator and multiply numerator. Denominator you should divide with the LCM. Whatever answer you got as a quotient, that one you should multiply with the numerator. Okay, so here we finished with this one. Next, in between there is minus symbol, so I'll put minus symbol. Now again denominator you should take and divide with the LCM, right? So divide denominator means 2 divided by 4, you will get 2 as your quotient, multiply with the numerator. So into numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. Okay, so 1 5's 5 and 2 1's 2. Clear? Minus 3 by 2. Now we'll solve this. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Again there is minus symbol in between the two rational numbers. So take the LCM. So 2 and 4 LCM is again 4. So 4 denominator, when are you taking, you should divide, no? So divide, the 4 by 4 is 1. Whatever answer you got, you should multiply it with the numerator. 1 into 3. Next, minus 2 divided by 4 is 2 into numerator is 3. So 3. So 1 3 is 3. 3 minus 6. Okay. 3 minus 6 by 4. So 3 minus 6. Here 3 minus 6 means first we should subtract this. 6 minus 3, how much? 3. Okay. Now put the big number symbol. Big number is minus 6. So you should put minus 3 as your answer. Okay. Simple, don't confuse. 2 minus 9 means first subtract 9 and 2. Okay. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now whatever number is big, that number symbol you should put. 9 symbol is minus, so big number symbol is minus. Okay, minus 7 is your answer. Okay, so your answer will be minus 3 by 4. Okay, so we finished with LHS. Now we'll solve with RHS. So you got LHS as minus 3 by 4. You remember this answer, minus 3 by 4. Our RHS is done in next slide. So let us go to the next slide. So here is your RHS. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. Okay. So first I'll simplify my bracket things. Okay. So always a simplification should be followed as per this word BODMAS. Okay. So BODMAS. Here B means bracket. So first you should simplify the bracket things. Then off. Off is also bracket. Okay. Multiplication. Next division. Next multiplication. Next addition. Next subtraction. So here BODMAS, first bracket things we should simplify. Okay. This one I will write as it is. Minus 1 by 2 plus into minus I will do here. Plus into minus is minus. Okay. Next, here bracket things are not solved, right? Till now also bracket things are not solved. So I can solve this bracket one. So like this. 2 LCM is 2 only. Whenever the denominators and the LCM are same, the numerators will be same only. Minus 1, minus 3. Okay. So I'll simplify this. So 5 by 4 plus minus 4 by 2. Why minus 4 by 2? Whenever two integers with same symbol are there, minus 1, minus 3, then they should be added. Two same symbols, addition. Same symbols, addition. Different symbols, subtraction. Understood? Different symbols, subtraction. Same symbols, you should put same symbol only. Same symbol only you should put for answer. Different symbol, whenever you are doing subtraction, you should put big number symbol. Okay. So you will get 5 by 4 plus minus 4 by 2. Now I will remove this bracket. For removing, I will multiply these two, plus into minus, minus, and I will do the LCM. 4 to LCM is 4 only. So 4 divides 1 time. So 1 into 5 is 5. Plus into minus is minus. Here 2 is there. 2 will go 2 times in 2 times. So 2 is 4 into your numerator is minus 4. So 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 by 4. It is minus 3 by 4. So LHS also we got minus 3 by 4. So therefore we can write LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Or else you can directly do RHS, LHS parallelly. And you can, if they are equal, you can put LHS equal to RHS. If they are not equal, you can put LHS is not equal to RHS. Clear? So let us go to the next question. Here is the next problem. Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. Okay. Here he asks you to arrange the things and then solve it. Evaluate means simplify. Simplify after rearrangement. Arrange them. What we should arrange here? See here, if you observe carefully, here the denominator is 5. Here also the denominator is 5. Means you should put these two together. and here these two denominators are same, so you should put these two together, okay, and simplify it. Okay, when you put together it is easy to take LCM. Clear? So your next first step will be, I'll take the question as it is. Now I'll put the first I'll take out the brackets. Plus into minus is minus, here also plus into minus is minus. Now I'll put together the denominators after rearrangement with respect to the denominators. Here 3 by 5, beside to this one I'll put minus 2 by 5. Next 7 by 3, beside that I'll put minus 2 by 3. Now both are having 5 5 and here both are having 3 3. So I'll take for these two, I'll take one LCM at a time, and for these two I'll take LCM. Okay, so for LCM for 5 5 it will be 5 only, for 3 3 also it will be 3 3 only, no? So I'll put like this. Okay, when the LCM and the denominator are same, then you can write the numerators as it is. Here also the numerators as it is, because the denominator and the LCM are same, right? Now I can simplify easily. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 by 5, plus 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 by 3. Okay, why he asks you to rearrange them and solve it? Because whenever, if you do LCM here like this, for 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, you'll get 15 as LCM. It will be complicated. Okay, so 5 means 3 times 3 into 3 plus 7 into 5, like that. Okay, but here when you go with this process, taking the same denominators together, and here also same denominators together, and taking the LCM with LCM for them separately like this, and after solving this, if you take LCM, it will be easily solved. Okay, so now 5 and 3 LCM is 15. So same procedure, LCM procedure, 5 divides 15 3 times through 3, so 3 into numerator is 1. Okay, here 3 divides 15 5 times, so 5 into numerator is 5. Okay, so your next step will be, so your next step will be like this. 1 into 3 plus 5 into 5, so 1 3 is 3, 5 5 is 25. So when you add 3 plus 25, it will be 28 by 15. So after rearrangement, our answer is 28 by 15. So one thing you should do, that first remove the brackets in every problem. Whenever brackets are there, first remove the brackets and multiply the symbols if there are any symbols multiplication is there. Next, take the same denominators together and solve them separately by taking the LCM separately. Now whatever answers you got, for them you take the LCM and solve it. Okay, so let us go to the next question. So here is your next question, subtract. Okay, so here you should do subtraction. The first question is 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So children, please don't confuse. Whenever he asked subtraction from means from this one, whatever given at the last, from this one you should subtract this one. Okay, first you should write this 1 by 3. Subtraction means minus, so put minus symbol, and this one you should subtract, so 3 by 4. Most of you will be confusing here only. You will just write like this, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. It is wrong. You should not follow this pattern. Subtraction means from, whatever he gave from means from this one you should subtract this one. So this 1 by 3 should be written first, minus because subtraction, and this 3 by 4 should be written at the last. Okay, so I'll write 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Here whenever minus symbol or plus symbol is there between rational numbers, you should take the LCM. So 4 and 3 LCM is 12. So 3 divides 12 4 times. So 4 into the numerator is 1. Okay, 4 divides 12 3 times. So 3 into 3 is 3 into 3 should write here. So 4 minus 9, it is minus 5, because 4 minus 9 means first you should do subtraction. 9 minus 4 is 5 and big number symbol is minus, so you should put minus symbol. So minus 5 by 12. Okay, so or else from small number, if you are taking a big number, you should take minus symbol. In that way also you can remember. Okay, let us go to the next question. Minus 32 by 13 from 2. So here after from 2 is there, so you should write first 2. 2 minus of minus 32 by 13, because here this number is having minus symbol and we are doing subtraction, means put minus symbol. Okay, you will be confused. Some of you will be writing like this, 2 minus 32 by 13. But it is wrong, because this number is having minus symbol, but here we are not using it. So put minus symbol also here. Subtraction, we are doing subtraction minus. Okay, so now first we should remove the brackets in simplification, right? So minus into minus is plus. So 2 plus 32 by 13. Now take the LCM. How we can take the LCM here without denominator? Here we should put the denominator as 1. 13 and 1 LCM will be 13. So 1 in one table 13 will be 13 times 13. So 13 into 2. Okay, in that way I should write 13 into 2 plus, in 13 table 13 goes one time, so 1 into numerator is 32. Okay, simple. For LCM you should remember this word DDMN. DDMN. Divide the denominator with LCM and multiply the numerator. Whatever answer you got here, that one you should multiply with the numerator. Okay, so solve it. 13 2 is 26 plus 32. It will be 58 by 13. So your answer will be 58 by 13. Okay, so your next slide will be. So here is your third question from 8th bit. Minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So you should do subtraction here. This one you should write first. Minus, and this is having minus 7. So put minus 7 in bracket. Clear? So minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7. Okay, so here we should take out the bracket first, right? So for that you should multiply it. Minus into minus is plus. So minus 4 by 7 plus 7. Take the LCM. Minus 4 into 1 plus, here the denominator is 1. So 1 goes 7 times in 7. So 7 into 7. Okay, so minus 4 plus 49. Both symbols are different. When different symbols are there, you should do subtraction and put big number symbol. So 49 minus 4 is 45 by 7. So your answer is 45 by 7. So we will go to the next question, 9th one. So here is your 9th question. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? So don't confuse. Here also you take some example. What should be added to? Means suppose I am taking a number 2. Which number you should add to this 2 to get answer 5? To get answer 5, what is the number you should add? It is 3. How we can say? We should send this plus 2 there. It will become minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Right? Similarly, here you should write this one as it is and send this one there. Okay, take the example one, and however you are solving here, same application you put here. Okay, so take the question first. Here he asked what number he asked, so I took the number as x. Okay, now should be added he told, so I'll write minus 5 by 8 plus x equal to minus 3 by 8. Now I want to find out x. So I'll put this x as it is here and I'll send this minus 5 by 8 there. Because I want this x, right? Whatever we want, that should be separated. So x I want, so I should write x separately. So what is the extra thing here? Minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8 will go as plus 5 by 8. Because it is adding here, so it will change its symbol. Minus 5 by 8 will go as plus 5 by 8. Okay, now here two rational numbers with plus in between. So take out the LCM. 8 and 2 LCM will be 8 only, and simplify it. 2 in 2 table 8 goes 4 times. So 4 into numerator is minus 3. Okay, next in 8 table 8 goes 1 time. So 1 into numerator is 5. Okay, so minus 12 plus 5. So two different symbols. So you should subtract and put big number symbol. So minus 7 by 8. So what you should be added to this minus 5 by 8 to get this one? It is minus 7 by 8. Okay, minus 7 by 8 should be added to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2. Okay, let us go to the next question. Here is your next question. The sum of two rational numbers is 8. Okay, so when you add two things, you are getting answer as 8. Okay, if one of the numbers is minus 5 by 6, so he gave one number, minus 5 by 6 is one number, and he asked you to find out the other one. We don't know this other one, so I'll take as x. Okay, so to find out this x, I should send this one here now. So minus 5 by 6, when goes there, it becomes plus 5 by 6. Simple. First you write first you write in the rough work what he gave and what you should find out. Then after getting an idea, you just solve it. Clear? So let us take the number as x, and x plus minus 5 by 6 equal to 8. Now send this minus 5 by 6 there, it will become plus 5 by 6. So here whenever two rational numbers are added or subtracted, you should take out LCM. Okay, let me take the LCM. So LCM is 6. So here 1 is there denominator. So in one table 6 goes 6 times. So 6 into the numerator is 8. Okay. Similarly, here in 6 table 6 goes 1 time. 1 into numerator is 5. Okay. So 8 6 48 plus 5 by 6. 48 plus 5 is 53. 53 by 6. So the other number is 53 by 6. Okay. Let me go to the next question. So here is your next question. Is subtraction associative in rational numbers? Okay. From first 1 to 5 questions, we have seen that associative is possible under addition. Like this we have seen, no, 2 plus 3 by 5, 3 plus 5. We can write, group them and write like this, 2 plus 3 plus 5. We know that it is possible under addition. Okay. Now he is asking, is subtraction associative in rational? Means instead of plus, if you put minus, will on the both sides the answer will be same or not? Okay, will the answer same on both sides if you put minus for associative? Okay, let me take the example and solve it. So let me take three rational numbers, any three rational numbers. I am taking the three rational numbers like this because your associative property will be like this, right? A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C, right? So for subtraction, instead of plus you should put minus. Okay, so for that I want three rational numbers, so I have taken three rational numbers here. Okay, now I'll take the formula and I'll substitute. Okay, instead of A 1 by 4, instead of B 2 by 3, instead of C minus 3 by 5. Okay, so instead of A I put 1 by 4, B here, C here, and A, B, C. Okay, now here we discussed already that we should simplify the bracket things first. Parallelly we can do, or separately also you can do. I'll do parallelly. Here I'll take, first I'll solve this brackets. Okay, before that I should do this minus into minus plus, right? And I should solve that bracket things. Okay, so instead of here you can do directly minus into minus plus, or else you can do later also. 1 by 4 as it is you write here. Next I took LCM here because I should simplify the bracket thing first. So 3 LCM 3 and 5 is 15. So 3 in 3 table 15 goes 5 times. So 5 into numerator is 2. So 2. Okay. Next minus I put as it is, or else you can directly write minus into minus plus also. Okay. But here I put minus separately, this one also separately. Okay. So 15, 5 in 5 table 15 goes 3 times. So 3 into numerator is minus 3. So I put minus 3 as it is. Similarly you do for this one. 3 and 4 LCM is 12. Next in 4 table 12 goes 3 times. So I wrote 3 into numerator is 1, 1. Okay. Similarly for this one. Now you simplify the bracket things. 1 by 4 minus 5 to 10. Here I did see minus into minus plus. Here also you can write directly plus. If you are having any doubt, you can do in the next step also. Minus into minus is plus, 3 3 is 9. Here also 3 minus 8 by 12 plus 3 by 5. Okay. Your next step will be, so this is your next step. 1 by 4 minus 10 plus 9 is 19 by 15. 3 minus 8 is minus 5 because the big number symbol is minus. So minus 5 by 12 plus 3 by 5. Okay. Again here there is subtraction, minus symbol, and here plus symbol between two rational numbers. So here also you should take LCM and solve. So 15 and 4 LCM is 60. Same thing. Here also 12 and 5 LCM is 60. Okay. So solve it. You will get the answers as like this, minus 61 by 60 and 11 by 60. As both are not equal, here as the denominators, even though the denominators are same, the numerators are not same, so it will not be equal. So I can write associative under subtraction is not possible. Okay, subtraction is not associative in rational numbers. Okay, because when you take this property in subtraction, it is not giving it is not giving the answer equal to, it is not giving the equal answers on both sides. Okay, so we can write it is not associative, subtraction is not associative in rational numbers. Let us go to the next question. Your next question is, verify that minus of minus x equal to x. Anyhow we know minus into minus is plus only, right? So when you multiply this minus into minus to any number, you will get the plus number as your answer. So here he asked to verify it. So let us go to the first question from this. So x equal to 2 by 15. So put minus of minus x is 2 by 15. Okay, instead of x you put instead of x you put 2 by 15 in the given equation. Okay, so minus into minus will be plus. So next step will be x equal to 2 by 15. So you got x equal to by 15, whatever question he gave, so it is verified. Okay, so the next question is minus 13 by 17. Just put in this one, you should get plus answer. Same question you should get as answer. Okay, so minus of minus, here this minus is this one and this minus is this one, and your x is having minus, your x is in minus symbol, right? So minus, so here minus into minus will get plus only, but this minus is left over, so your answer will be minus 13 by 17. So again you got the same question as answer, so it is verified. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Your next question is, right, he gave the statements, the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. Okay, we are having set of numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, right, irrational numbers. From this set, which numbers do not have any additive identity? Any additive identity means 0, right? Additive identity is 0, right? So without 0, what is the set of numbers without 0? It is natural numbers, because in whole numbers we have 0, in integers we have 0, in rational we have 0, right? So what is a set which do not have additive identity? It is natural number. So natural numbers doesn't possess the number 0, because our additive identity means 0. Okay, your next question is, the rational number that does not have any reciprocal. Does not have any reciprocal. What is the number which doesn't have any reciprocal? It is 0 only, right? Because 1 by 0 is not defined. Next question is, the reciprocal of a negative rational number. Negative rational number means, suppose minus 3 by 5. What is the negative rational number reciprocal? I told, whenever you are doing reciprocal, symbol will not be changed. Symbol will be as it is only. And the numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. So it will be negative number only. Here he asked, the reciprocal of a negative rational number will be a negative rational number only. Okay, example we can take, minus 3 by 5 will give you minus 5 by 3. Okay. I hope you understood this video. If you understood this video, please take down the notes, practice them, and please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.